上好，欢迎回到我的 YouTube 频道。我叫 Kabeka，我是肯亚人，我是 KMTC 的学生。好的，让我们开始做饭。请享用。Alrighty then, back to English before I bite my tongue. So today's vlog is starting in the kitchen. Because I'm about to Ramsay Gordon my way through this kitchen today. Nothing too fancy, actually nothing fancy. The meal that I'm going to make today is going to get a lot of judgment. I don't know why my friends judge it, but it's a legendary meal. Like, yo, I've never had spaghetti and beans before. Like, it's one of my favorites. Like, I don't know what you... Spaghetti and beans is bomb. Please don't judge me. Listen, don't judge me. But today we're making spaghetti and beans. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's get into it, you know. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you missed the few words that I started with, you know, I was trying to flex, but I almost bit my tongue, but you know, let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into it. Please do not mind this. You know, the kitchen essentials. I place this thing here because I hate how flat it gets, so when it's wet, it kind of puffs up. Anyway, that aside, so today, guys, we have beans. This is not my favorite kind of beans. I prefer homemade beans, but I do not have a pressure cooker. So we'll just have to make do with what we have. I have some carrots here. I have a tomato, spinach, garlic, and an onion. I don't like this kind of beans because I have an issue with heartburn. So I prefer yellow beans, but we'll just have to work with what we have. So first things first, always remember to wash your hands before handling food. Listen, I'm just using dish soap. Dish soap. Let's wash our hands. Then prep the vegetables. Make sure you clean your vegetables properly, and I mean properly. Like, I'm not trying to eat some stones. I honestly just add salt till my ancestors tell me it's enough. I don't have specific measurements, so yeah, that's that. As we wait for that to boil, then we'll wait for that to boil before I add the spaghetti. Well, that's done. We just have to drain the water, warm the other foods. The beans was done. The beans looks so good. Well done. The spinach, nice and green, not overcooked. Yeah. And that, friends, is my meal for today. Beans, spaghetti, and spinach. So that's my breakfast for today. Eggs, tea, then after this, and a banana, by the way. So after this, I want to revive my wig, because listen, she is not looking good. Hi, my babies. So today, I hope you guys are doing okay. Today I might actually install Wi-Fi, because the amount of money I use on bundles is insane, and also being able to upload these YouTube videos, that's a lot of bundles. Wi-Fi is more effective and much cheaper, so yeah, let's see. I might install Wi-Fi today or tomorrow, so let's see how that works out. I was supposed to fix my wig today, so I think I'll just get into that, because we need to give this wig a name. We need to give her a name. Let's call her Anastasia. We'll call her Anastasia. Anastasia needs to be washed, cleaned, conditioned, because baby girl is not looking good. She is too tangled. Okay, so Let me. It's so cold. Like it's so cold. I'm inside a. It's mad. It's really cold, and my hair is doing that thing. I look like a devil, but I'll fix that. I just need to breathe right now. So let me fix the wig. Good morning, guys, from a girl who's barely awake. Oh my god, it's 8:30. I had a movie, not really, what movie night, marathon night yesterday. I literally slept at 3, no, 4. I slept at 4. I've finally watched the Wednesday movie, the Wednesday series, and 10 over 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10. I watched the Adams movie, the animation, and I loved it. So the series was just icing on the cake. It was nice. Then I also watched Nini, the third season of Never Have I Ever, and yeah, that was also pretty good. It was nice. I enjoyed. Slept at 4. Just received a phone call from the internet guys at 8:30. I thought they would be here at around maybe, I don't know, 11 or something, so that I can get some sleep, but yeah, they're on their way. We're finally getting Wi-Fi installed, which is a relief. That is way cheaper than using bundles. I'm literally using almost half of the amount of money I use on bundles, and that is much more affordable. It makes more sense. So I'm just trying to tidy up. Before they show up. I do not want embarrassments. So I'll just catch you guys when they're here. So we're done. Ooh, our girl is excited. Now we have internet.